we just really, solidifying the final mechanics, and we're up in the residential space on 5040.
Can you hear good?
Not very well.
Come on closer.
But I can't see you.
Just so we can hear. So, working in a residential space on 5040, going over the cast iron piece for
the plumbing.
Yeah, for the new bathroom that we're building on the 3rd floor. As you can see, the time-consuming process that it takes for the cast iron to come in with the clamps, and then the cast iron is welded on banded together on each junction.
There's rubber boots in between those metal bands, which creates a seal, as opposed to years ago you would have had the lead to connect all those joints. Now they have pipe straps that you put the rubber gasket and connect, so every fitting and every connection has to be strapped together with that process. But it seals everything.
It seals everything, but it's a time-consuming process.
Absolutely, and then all the drain lines are copper, so they all have to be sweated and connected with a torch and solder construction. And again, with the copper new water supply lines, as you see, all the half-inch water supply lines also have to be welded and soldered together. So it's not like a process of
it's not like
ease with plastic.
Like plastic where you glue it together, whatever you're doing with it.
Right.
Copper. Takes time.
And then we had to make a detailed change order on site because originally, Wendy, we had the pipe figured to go up above the ceiling, but after we got, we didn't have enough room between the joists, so we had to lower the soffit and the drain line below the ceiling so that we could get the proper pitch, as you see, for the water to fall from the fixtures above. We're here, all the electrical is in place. The yellow line here, Wendy, is the heat line for the living room. And then you got your regular convenience outlets. And this was a chaseway that was created to run wire and to make a little decorative as opposed to just one straight wall. And possibly the owner would decide to put some recessed light system in just to show they use it as a luxury apartment, as opposed to just a plain, ordinary apartment. We're trying to give it a luxury feel.
Yeah, give it some character. And also, I noticed that the electric is on. The electric is on, and you see the bulbs are on, the switches are hot. Leon's gonna go hit the switches. So you see it's connected. Yeah.
You got that one.
It's connected, it's hot, the mechanics are going in, we're moving forward.
Oh, here's a good view of connecting copper
Yeah, copper drain lines and water supply lines and cast iron drain lines. With the camera. Oh, sorry.
All right. I'm gonna get that Rick Ross out because of y'all, man. Y'all inspire me, man. I'm gonna give him a chance.
Start.
This is the new panel.
200 amp service, no joke. We ready.
Right in the unit.
Just one sec. When you walk in, you'll see the stack where it comes straight up the building, the cast iron, step inside, and our copper main water supply line. And this is the room where the hot water tank goes. This is our mechanical unit.
right on the side.
Total mechanicals, isolated, everything in one central location so we can
Maintain a little utility room for your bar level.
Oh, right, the accessibility, can't beat that. Everything's with you.
Y'all guys want to go downstairs?
Yeah, that's it.